Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Girls' Night Out. Part 1. One Friday night, a young girl was invited out to party with some friends. She had just gone through a breakup, so they decided to take her out to cheer her up. As the girl got dressed at around 11 p.m., she heard a heavy breathing voice at her window. She first brushed it off as the wind, but she realized that there was no wind outside. She also noticed that the curtains were being sucked in and released. She screamed, calling to her mother, who quickly rushed to her aid. She began telling her mother about what she saw, so her mother started to plead the blood of Jesus on whatever it was that was exalting itself above the knowledge of God. The mother then rushed out of the house to the backyard to double-check if anyone was there and to bind them up, but no one was there. She went over to the neighbor's house to ask him if he was in his backyard earlier, just to make sure, but he said he wasn't, so she returned home. She asked her daughter if she will still be going out to party, and the daughter said yes. She told her to be careful and that she will be up all night praying. The daughter left with her friends. The party was lit, she danced and drank with her friends, and they had a great time. She loved outside.
Check out part 2.